Rock Legion.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, welcome. On this channel I share a lot of natural hair videos, makeup videos, and sometimes vlogs. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this bomb spring twist using Ceres hair from Sisters. So one pack of this hair goes for 380 and I used 2 packets, and I also used it in color number 2 because it comes with very limited colors. I also did not cut my hair because I wanted my hair long. So if you want your hair long like mine, then do not cut your hair. I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and if you do so, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment on the comment section below if you have any questions for me. Until next time, bye. So this is the hair that I used. It's called Ceres from Sisters and I used it in color number 2. So when I was buying the hair, I noticed that the hair has very limited colors, and number 1 was too dark for me, so that's why I opted for color number 2. This is how the hair looks from the inside. It comes with 8 bundles, and I think 8 bundles for 380, that's fair enough. So when it comes to twisting the hair, I'm just overlaying the hair on top of each other, and as you can see, I'm not using force, I'm not pulling the hair because I'm trying to have a springy effect. So I'm just overlaying the hair on top of each other.
Purchase your tracks today.
So let's do this again. So before I start twisting, I'll have to make sure that the 2 sides are of the same length, and then I basically repeat the same process, just overlaying the hair on top of each other without using force or without pulling the hair, and basically that's it guys.
Rock Legion.
So now onto my braiding pattern. I had a total of 12 braids on my head. I had 3 on both sides and 12 at the middle of my hair, and this is how the hair looks like. My hair is long because I did not cut it, so if you want your hair long like mine, then do not cut it. So I went right ahead and did the rest of my hair off camera, and this process took me a long time. I started doing my hair at around 2:30, and by the time I was done it was around 6:30. So I was so tired, so I'm just going to let you watch and see what I'm doing guys, because it's just the same old crochet process. And after I'm done, I'm just going to secure my hair twice because I don't want it to pull out on me. So I'm just going to secure my hair tight twice and then tight the hair, and basically that's it. I'm going to repeat the same process towards the rest of my hair.
Purchase your tracks today.
So this entire process took me 6 hours, that is 3 hours to do the twist and 3 hours to fix the twist on my hair. So this hairstyle is not for the faint heart, guys, because it takes a lot of time and a lot of patience. So if you're one of those people that can't do your hair, please go to the salon and get your hair fixes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment, do all those good stuff. Until next time, guys, bye.